Hey, Philadelphia, thank you all for showing up to the No Kings protest. The chaos coming out of Washington is supposed to make us feel powerless, but every single one of us has the power to strengthen the community we live in. And that's how we protect democracy and each other. Showing up is the beginning, not the end. Here's what we've all got to do next. A, connect with your local indivisible group and stay up to date on what's happening in your neighborhood. B, link up with grassroots organizations protecting our immigrant neighbors, our environment, and our rights. These organizations need our support now more than ever. C, talk to the folks on your block. Check in on your people. D, stay informed, stay loud, make a plan for what you will do next, then do it. Philadelphia, I love you. Now let's get to work. And remember, no kings.